Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for a week of February 22nd through the 28th. I love that the month ends. Like, it started perfect, ended perfect. I wish every month was like this. Anyway, I'm using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. They're on Pinterest. It's called, I think, Chase Your Dreams, but it's so cute. I love the like black and white, gold, the aesthetic. I love it. I clearly cut this one a little deep, but whatever. It'll be fine. It has a lot of boxes, so I cut down these two to be header size so that I can use those as headers. And then of course I have the checklist down here and then a weekend banner. I pulled a ton of washi. So all of these are from Michael's. This one's from Dollar Tree. And then I also pulled these from Michael's. This one is from Meyer, I think. And then this one's from AliExpress. So tons of options. I think I'm gonna go with this one because I feel like I should add gold this week. I think it needs to be a little bit extra, you know? And then I need another one that's like not too wide. Maybe this dots. I feel like that looks cute. So I'm gonna add these two as my bottom washi. I'm gonna stick this over the bottom like I usually do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick down this, the weekend banner, and one set of headers. I think I'm going to stick this. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick this set of headers along the top. And then I'll come back. We're going to stick the full boxes down, and then I'm going to stick the other set of headers, the checklist, all that good stuff. So I will be right back. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. Loving it. These are a little bit extra long because I guess I was bad at cutting them, but I think it still looks fine. So now we're gonna go into the full boxes. Obviously this is the sidebar. Doesn't leave really space for a functional sidebar unless I were to put something on top of this. I'm gonna have to trim this shorter. But I don't really care because I don't need most of the things that go in my sidebar, to be completely honest. I just kind of use them because I think they're fun. And I like it to look pretty. You can kind of see it today, Saturday. This is how far I've gotten in this current week. Alright, so I'm just going to trim off this excess. The fact that this sticker paper that I'm using has a gray backer is actually really nice, because that means that like things don't show through really. All right, there we go. I have this long strip now. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it because, all right, just gonna stick it there. Problem solved. We have a little space here at the bottom for washi. Most of my washis are like too wide for there, so I'm just gonna use this like skinny, sparkly black washi from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to stick a strip way down here. There we go. I feel like that looks pretty cute. Okay, back to all of this jazz. So I feel like these two go together for sure. And then I guess maybe these two because they have quotes. And then these three are a little bit complicated. I feel like this one just really stands out. And so I'm just going to stick it on Thursday because I want to. So there we go. Thursday's done. Next, I think I'm going to stick these two white ones. You can see I have a few headers left over. I'm just going to use those as dividers on the days as I need dividers for things. Okay, and says we can change the world. So we should get right on that. This one was also cut a little bit wide. A couple of these it's not like super clear because the background is so pale. So it's not always easy to tell exactly where I should be cutting them. Let me see if I can just like pick this up. Or if it's going to be like a huge hassle. There we go. Now it's not too wide. Problem solved. Okay, this one. The one that I was dealing with next. This one says, chase your dreams in high heels. Not sure I super agree with that sentiment, but it's cute. I love the idea of heels, but like actually wearing them is super obnoxious. All right. There we go. That is all of them. Now I'm going to put down these headers and then these checklists down at the bottom, and then I will be right back. All right, here's the whole base down. As you might have noticed, I cut off one heart for each of these. That's because I didn't want it to cover my bottom washi. This is obviously made for a happy planner. So I just chopped one off, and then it's like the perfect length for all of these. So we are ready to go with the weekly plans. So for this week, I pulled out this Agenda 52 book. I got it at Hobby Lobby a while ago. And I'm just going to use 5 of these like black with gold $ stickers for this week. I feel like that will work for work. All right. Some of them are trying to like fly off of me. So that's always fun. Pretty sure that one's upside down. Anyone else feel like it's upside down? Yeah, I feel like it looks better that way. All right. there we go. Start of the week done. Also on Monday, I have my plan with me somewhere in here. Ooh, maybe I'll use one of these. Okay, these are from Piper Paper Company, her camera deco. I have a coupon code for her down below if you want 20% off. I don't feel like I get to use these that often because they're like too much black for a lot of spreads. So I'm just gonna stick that in there. Tuesday, for overnight, I have to do a sleep test. So I am just gonna use, big guy's like really big. So I'm gonna use a small one. These are from Courses Creations. Her like little mad scientists. Well, as cats. So that's my overnight sleep test in here. Wednesday, I don't currently have anything super special going on. My cousin's birthday, but I don't usually fill in extended family birthdays. All right, there we go. Thursday and Friday. I don't think I know anything for the entire rest of the week at this point. So I'm just gonna not fill it in. So this is my like super uninteresting pre-planning. I'm gonna fill in what I do know with this iHow 0.38, this cute little striped kitty today. And then I will be right back. All right, so that is my pre-planning for this week. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It's so cute. A little bit of foil there. Oh, there's some scrippy scraps. All right. So if I don't mention it, it comes from the kit from Pretty Planner Printables. All I have left is most of the extra strip I cut off the side. I'm just gonna recycle that. I don't need that piece. So if I don't mention it, it came from that kit. You can find her kits on Pinterest. These stickers are all from an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. This is Piper Paper Company, Wonton and a Million at Michael's, Courses Creations, Chasing Shelves. Bottom washi is all from Michael's. This is from a sticker book from AliExpress. This is from Creative Cavern Studio, and then everything else is from the kit. So I love how it turned out. It's so cute and fun, and definitely has like a little bit of a spring vibes while still kind of fitting into the February lovey-dovey theme. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It super helps me out. Let me know what kits you're using for spring. I'm pretty much have March planned, but that's about as far as I've gotten so far. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.